Most of the comments on my videos are asking for help to get started with AI. So this video is basically to help you zoom out and understand a few core concepts like terminologies, the difference between AI, machine learning or GenAI. We'll talk about AI agents, which is the latest trend in AI, and give you an AI learning roadmap from consuming to building to scaling AI products. I'm Srinath Warrior. I'm an AI engineering manager from Bangalore. First, let's understand the terminologies. So AI is like this big umbrella. Any system that mimics human intelligence is basically artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of programming rules, you teach machines to learn from data. Think of Netflix recommendations as an example. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses neural networks to solve complex problems like recognizing your face in a photo. Now, AI, machine learning and deep learning has actually been slowly growing since like 1950s. But ever since ChatGPT got released in November 22, there's been a recent boost in GenAI, which is a subset of deep learning. Because of the large language models or LLMs, you can now write code, generate images, create music, PPTs and much more. And then came in the agents. So these LLMs, while they are extremely useful, cannot take actions on their own. So these LLMs need to connect to tools like browsers to browse the internet, or email clients to read and send emails, or databases to store data. So AI agents open up these LLMs to perform actions. But here's the problem. Every company started building their own agents with custom integrations. No consistency, no standards, chaos. This is where MCP or Model Context Protocol was introduced by Anthropic. MCP is basically a common standard for agents to connect to different types of tools. Like one USB-C standard cable instead of micro USB, USB-A, Lightning port and many others. To learn and master AI, you need a roadmap. So let's break it down into 6 levels. Level 0 is about consuming AI tools. Because whatever your current role, you can definitely enhance it using GenAI. To get really good at this level, learn prompt engineering, which basically is just common sense and good English. So prompt engineering will help you tell the LLM exactly what you want. For example, there is a famous concept in prompt engineering called one-shot prompting, which basically means to give an example to the LLM of the kind of response you want. LLMs give much better response when you do this. You can also use paid GenAI tools like the paid ChatGPT versions, or image generation tools like Midjourney or Canva, or automatic note takers like Otter or Fireflies. Now level 1 is where you start building products with GenAI without needing actual coding. The easiest place to get started is by building chatbots. There are multiple AI agencies which help small and medium-sized companies by building quick chatbots which can then be added to their websites to help their sales or support team. Level 2 is where you start with basic coding. Learn Python or JavaScript, understand how real-life coding projects look like, try to build a product like a chatbot, website or app. Now level 3 is when you build on top of the LLM. You either teach the LLM to answer your queries better using fine-tuning and RAG, or you connect your LLM to external tools like browsers, email clients, etc. Fine-tuning is when you want to load the LLM with your own custom data and create a new version of the LLM. RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation is when you don't keep creating versions of the LLMs. Instead, the LLM now has access to this new knowledge and can give a more knowledgeable response. AI agents is when the LLM can start connecting to external tools to perform actions. Like I mentioned before, there's a new standard called MCP or Model Context Protocol by Anthropic. This has provided companies a standardized way to create agents. Level 4 is where you build your own AI models instead of using existing LLMs like GPT or Gemini. You would need to do this to build your own algorithm for very specific use cases when it becomes difficult to train existing LLMs with large data. And finally, level 5 is all about scale, because you need to make sure that your applications are performant, secure, and ready for the real world with millions of users accessing them. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Comment below a date by when you will complete your first AI project. And let me know in the comments which level you're at and what help you need to scale up the pyramid so that I can make more videos specifically for you. Thank you for watching.